Comfortable?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Okay. So this fits perfectly on all size ears. Is it comfortable?
Yeah.
So you saw that. These earbuds fit perfectly on a 9-year-old, a 14-year-old, and now an adult with glasses. Sound quality is amazing. These are water resistant. And again, sound quality is amazing. Hooks easily to your phone. This is a great buy for under $25. They look fabulous and they won't fall off. You can run, jog, all that stuff, and they're there. My husband wants a pair. I'm gonna have to get him the black ones. Again, check it out, under $25. I'm gonna link it down below.